There are 13 types of infographics and they are distributed according to their use. So, first, a mixed chart. A mixed chart infographic includes a variety of different charts to show data. Second, a list infographic. A list infographic is mostly text that lists information about a given subject. Okay. Third, a timeline. A timeline looks at how a subject has changed over time. Fourth, how-to guide. A how-to guide is a step-by-step guide to creating something. Fifth, a flowchart. A flowchart starts at a single point and looks at the points that branch off based on different decisions. Sixth, a comparison. A comparison compares and contrasts two different subjects. Seventh, a location. A location-based infographic uses a map to visualize geographical data. 8. A photographic. A photographic uses mostly photographs combined with text to explain a point. 9th, a hierarchical. A hierarchical infographic stacks items or subjects based on a predefined level. 10th, a single chart is a chart, such as bar or line graph, that visualizes data on a subject. 11th, a visualized number infographic. A visualized number infographic adds image to stats to make them more appealing. 12th, anatomical. Anatomical infographic breaks down what makes something work. Okay. Last but not least, 13th, a visual resume. A visual resume is a resume in infographic form.